Hi everyone and welcome from the room of our little son here in the area of Frankfurt am Main, Germany. Today I would like to give you an honest opinion about two devices which you may use every day and which I'm using every day as well. Here I'm holding the Logitech MX Master 3S, a wonderful mouse for your notebook, tablet or computer, and here is the Apple mouse. I tested both of them and already for quite a while, and today I will show you one reason. There's only one reason why I decided to keep the Apple mouse. Let's start with a keyboard which I reviewed already 4 years ago. That is the Logitech MX Keys. One of the best keyboards I've ever used. It's available in 2 different colors and 2 different sizes. And I'm charging this keyboard probably once in a month. The keystrokes are just perfect and one of the best ones I've ever used. If you compare this keyboard with the original Apple one, you will know why I said it's one of the best ones I've ever used. So I started to review this keyboard a while ago, and while I was doing this, some people noticed that I was using an Apple mouse, and they said, why are you using an Apple mouse if you have a Logitech keyboard? And I was like, okay, should I try the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse instead? And I did. So this mouse here is ergonomically one of the best ones I've ever used. It features 2 buttons here at the side which you can program. It has this small dial here at the side which helps you to scroll from left to right. I have 1 button up here which allows me to spin that wheel either free or with steps. It charges from the front via USB-C. That means you can work at the same time while you charge this mouse here using a power bank or a cable which is connected from your computer and goes into the mouse. Apple decided to put it on the bottom, which is one of the most stupid ideas probably someone ever had, to not allow you to use a device because you need to charge it. And how can you use this device if it's been charged from the bottom? Now you know why this mouse here is almost perfect. And as you can see here on the bottom, I count 1, 2, 3 devices which I can pair with this mouse here. So I can pair my iPad, my MacBook or a Chromebook, and the only thing I need to do is jump between those if I want to change the device that I'm using at the moment. So this one here is so much better than this one here. I can only connect the Apple mouse to 1 device at the same time. I can only charge it using a lightning cable and not via USB-C. And here on this side is a small LED that illuminates once you charge this mouse here. And now we come to one feature why I decided to keep the Apple mouse instead, and it really hurts. As you might have heard already, this mouse is so much better than this one here, but there is a hidden feature inside, and that's a trackpad. So I can use my fingers and swipe from left to right. And you might say now, but you can do this using this mouse here as well, using this dial here. But if you do video editing in Final Cut, Premiere Pro or After Effects and you would like to scroll really fast from left to right, it goes so much better using the Apple mouse. I was using both of these mouses the last 2 weeks and I was doing a lot of video editing, and I can really feel that it goes much slower using the Logitech MX Master 3S. If you don't do any video editing and you don't miss this function at all and you never heard about this trackpad function, go for the Logitech MX Master 3S. But since I use this function every day, it really helps me to improve my workflow, and my video editing goes much quicker using the Apple mouse, unfortunately. So that was my honest review why I keep the Apple mouse instead of the Logitech MX Master 3S. So thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment below. And if you would like to support my channel, you will find both of them and the MX Keys in the video description below. See you next time und tschüss.